memory makes my whole body ache. See, we built a whole castle right here on the shore. You laugh saying, baby, it's forever for sure. Now the tide's coming in with a silent command, washing away the last prints in the sand. Oh, this sun, it knows my pain, shining so cruel and clear. Sand remembers your name with every grain I hold here. And the sea, it just whispers the promise